Nearly 2 million young people waited for the Pope at Madrid's Cuatro Vientos, where Benedict XVI held a prayer vigil during World Youth Day. The music was played by the Symphonic Orchestra and World Youth Day's choir. 2 young men officially welcomed the Pope.
Santo Padre, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias por su presencia entre nosotros, que nos llena de profunda alegría.
Queremos comenzar esta vigilia acogiendo la cruz de los jóvenes, que ha peregrinado por toda España.
Those taking part in the procession carried the World Youth Day cross and the icon of Our Lady Salus Populi Romani, along with the gospel and candles. 5 young adults addressed the Pope directly by asking him questions. In fact, Benedict XVI congratulated them for their courage.
Queridos amigos, os saludo a todos, pero en particular a los jóvenes que me han formulado sus preguntas y les agradezco la sinceridad con que han planteado sus inquietudes.
But a summer storm interrupted the Pope's speech and delayed things for a bit. The young crowd had to wait a few minutes for the rain to stop. When that happened, the Pope thanked the pilgrims for their patience.
Gracias por esa alegría y resistencia. Vuestra fuerza es mayor que la lluvia. Gracias. El Señor con la lluvia nos manda muchas bendiciones. También con esto sois un ejemplo.
The Pope then continued the vigil, and after a few moments of silence and prayer, he blessed the roughly 2 million youths gathered there. The Pope then once again prayed for all the youths, entrusting them to the heart of Jesus with a simple prayer. The Eucharistic adoration will continue all night in a total of 17 chapels throughout Cuatro Vientos. The vast majority of young people will spend the night there to save a spot for Sunday's morning Mass, which will end a successful World Youth Day.